Don't know how to upload your template to the Cricut Design Space canvas? No worries, just follow along. Step 1. Open your Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Click on New Project. Step 3. Select Upload from the left panel. Step 4. Click on the Upload Image button. Step 5. Press the Browse button. Step 6. Find your template and select it. Step 7. Click on Open. Step 8. Press the Continue button. Step 9. Click on Upload. Step 10. Your template will now appear on your Design Space canvas.
Leave a like and subscribe if we helped resolve your issue. Drop a comment below for more such videos and DIY ideas. Or visit us at www.mannymaker.com. Or call us at 17868665932, 442039830480.